Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my channel. Today guys, it's my brother's birthday, but before I show you, in 3 seconds you have to subscribe. And 3, 2, 1, so guys, that's why we're ready.
If Ronaldo fan, subscribe.
Guys, so today is Abbas's birthday and I'm gonna show you how beautiful the decorations are done. Abbas, go there so I can show people. Abbas, you're being mischievous again. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how beautiful this is done.
This is me.
Guys, I'm gonna show you.
It is good.
Guys, look at this. It looks so beautiful. I'm gonna show you such.
And if you want this phone, subscribe.
So guys, this is the decoration, how it's done. I'm gonna go a bit near.
Hey you guys, somebody give me a phone. Give me some phone.
Okay, Abbas. Everyone, today is Abbas's birthday. So just for his birthday wish, we want 100 subscribers. So, Jamal, show yourself.
He's a Messi fan.
You're a Messi fan?
No.
Are you a Messi fan?
Cristiano.
Are you a Messi fan?
And my brother's birthday. Subscribe to 100 subscribers.
Anyways, guys, today we're actually gonna show you the full house, and it's gonna be such beautiful. Guys, just look at this. It's Abbas's birthday. Abbas, what do you want? What is your birthday wish?
I want 100 subscribers and I want to meet Ronaldo.
Oh, so guys, please subscribe so we can meet Ronaldo. Guys, look at this. It just looks so beautiful. This is the whole house. This is how it looks. So Abbas, so today he's gonna show you some gymnastic skills. Abbas, I'm gonna say
I'm not gonna skill in my head.
no. From C. We're gonna play a game. Abbas?
See, let's do alphabet. I will say that first you tell me what alphabet then yours.
Okay. A. What?
Ariel.
Okay, Ariel. Okay. Clap for him. What was that?
Your turn. C.
C. Cartwheel.
Turn. A. What?
R.
Oh. Round off.
Good job. My turn.
Hey, cancel that video. Let's do football names. First my turn.
We're not canceling this video. After that, we'll do. First of all, let's do this trick. Okay.
Z.
Zipper.
Okay, then.
Good. Okay.
Ronaldo. First ask me.
No, we're gonna start from A to Z. Okay. A.
A.
Yes. A. From air. Yes.
Ariel. Player again.
Wait a second, guys. I'm gonna show you.
A is Mohammed
Oh
Salah.
my god. What did mom do?
Abbas.
No way, Abbas.
I will say this. I got a point.
So guys, this is how.
Next is B.
B. Bernardo Silva.
Abhi R count. Next.
C.
C. Cristiano Ronaldo.
Good job. My turn. Okay, what for me?
And I will do M. Need L.
L. L. What?
Good Bellingham.
Lionel Messi. Okay, you want to trick with me, huh? Z.
Oh, Zlatan Ibrahimovic.
Okay. He's a very good football fan. What for me now?
Q.
Q.
No, B.
B. But I just said Bernardo Silva.
Okay, R.
R. You can please be quiet. Okay, guys, comment down below if you know something from R because I really don't.
You don't get a point.
I was trying to say it.
Next, Germany.
Okay, you want to trick with me? Bye.
What? There is no O. Van Beesten.
No.
Please get it off.
Yıldız. Yıldız is a player. Okay, my turn.
Okay. Edge.
Edge? Erling Haaland. No, I know from Edge. Oh, Holland.
No. You have to say
Elfie Holland.
no. He is from A.
Guys, comment down below if you know a player from Edge.
Okay. You didn't know.
Shut up, I'm trying to say. I don't really know. You tell me.
It was.
He doesn't know. Come back here.
Can you do from E? I want to say E.
Get inside. Oh, I want to see an E. Okay, only for his birthday. E.
Erling Haaland.
Okay. My turn.
Okay. V.
V. Vinicius Junior.
Me.
Okay, for you, I'm gonna say. No. L.
Lionel Messi.
No, not L. Sorry, not L. What was that? G.
G. Garnacho.
Good job. I really don't know even one of these players.
Garnacho.
Yes, for me.
M. He's from Man United. Marcus.
No. Mark. No. Please. Wait 2 seconds. I know. Marcelo.
He was one of the freshman year. Did you say Marcelo? That was good. Your turn.
What? Guys, what should I say for him? What do you think?
Zach.
No, no. X.
There's no player in it.
I know.
X.
Yeah, of course. XZ. Go. My turn.
What are you doing?
Come on, say it already. I'm waiting. What? I already said R in your first turn. Do you remember Ronaldo? No! Say something else!
Okay. I.
Again?
What is better than I say I?
Oh, okay. Iniesta.
Yes.
Guys, look at him.
F. Luis Figo.
No, it's from L.
V.
Lewis. It's a Man City player.
Oh, it is. No.
No.
Okay, Julian Alvarez.
No. I'm not telling you. Phil Foden.
What? You didn't say P.
It's Phil Foden. F.
He is from P.
He's from L.
Phil Foden. Are you crazy? Phil Foden.
Whatever, my turn. Get back here! Come back here! Okay guys, that's the end of my video. Remember to subscribe, smash the like button right now, turn the notification button on the bus, and see you in the next video guys. Bye bye!